Question number 13. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter. Okay, in the diameter kuduthirukka, so you need to find the radius first. Yena nama sphere oda volume la radius dhaan irukku illaya. So the diameter is given to be 3/2 times 2x plus 1. So the diameter is 3/2 times 2x plus 1. So the radius is going to be diameter by 2, which is going to be 3/4 times 2x plus 1. Okay, I have found out the radius. So they're asking for find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. So they're asking for dv by dx. Idu enna kekram. Okay, so let us find out. Volume of sphere is going to be 4/3 pi r cube. When I substitute the volume, when I substitute r in the volume, I have 4/3 pi times radius enna 3/4 times 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So I have 4/3 pi times 3 cube divided by 4 cube times 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So this gets cancelled. So I'll have a 3 square. This gets cancelled. I'll have a 4 square. So this is going to be 9/16 times 2x plus 1 the whole cube. This is my volume. When I differentiate this dv by dx, I have 9/16 times, when I differentiate this, I have 3 comes down, 2x plus 1, the power gets reduced by 1, times what is inside 2x plus 1. So, I differentiate panna, I'll have a 2. Okay, remember this? So, I can cancel 2 times 16, which is going to be 2 8s are 16. So, the constant is going to be 9 3s are 27 divided by 8 times 2x plus 1 the whole square, and the radius value is not given. So, this is my final answer. So, this is going to be, I have a pi. So, I have pi times. So, my final answer is rate of change of volume is going to be centimeter cube per centimeter. So, this is going to be my final answer. Okay. In that x oda value kudukala. So, we are finding the rate of change of volume with respect to x. Okay. Please copy. Question number 14. 14. Sand is pouring from a pipe at a rate of 12 centimeter cube. It is forming, the falling sand forms a cone on the ground. So, cone mari form ஆகுது. So, when you pour, இப்போ பீச்லலாம் போகும்போது மண்ணை இப்படி எடுத்து இப்படி கொட்டும் போது என்ன ஆகும், இப்படி வரும்ல sand வந்து, it forms a cone. So, this is what is given in such a way that the height of the cone. So, you have the height of the cone and the radius of the cone. So, let me take the height to be h and the radius to be r. It is given that the height of the cone is 1/6 the radius of the base. And the volume is also given. So, volume changes at a rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Sand is pouring from the pipe at a rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. So, dv by dt is given. Height ko radius ko kuduthirukkan. And how fast is the height of the sand cone increasing? So, dh by dt enna when the height is going to be 4 centimeters. Okay. So, you have to find dh by dt. So, I know that cone, volume of cone, we are talking about a cone here, is going to be 1/3 pi r square h. Correct? Idella volume chapter la padichirukom. So, here you have 1/3 times pi. R and h is single variable. I need dh by dt. I am going to write r in terms of h. So, r equals 6h. R equals 6 times h. So, I have 6h the whole square maradradinga, times h. This is going to be pi/3 times 36 h cube. I can cancel this 3 12s are. So, this is going to be 12 pi h cube. This is going to be my volume of cone. Now, dv by dt enna? dv by dt is going to be d by dt of 12 pi h cube, which is going to be 12 pi is a constant, 3h square times dh divided by dt, and this value is given to be 12. So, I have 12 equals 12 3s are 36. 36 pi h square times dh divided by dt. Let multiply pannama, I'll have it as 12 into 3. So, 12 into 3 in vechikta, I can cancel the 12 and the 12. So, I'll be left with 1 equals 3 pi h square dh divided by dt. So, from here, I can write dh by dt equals 1 by 3 pi h square, and the value of h is given another 4. So, I have h equals 4, and I substitute, I have 1 by 3 pi times 4 square, which is 1 by 3 pi times 16. 16 3s are 48. So, I have 1 by 48 pi, and this is my rate of change of height. So, 48 pi centimeter per second. Okay, this is my answer. Please copy. Question number 15. This is very similar to the example. So the total cost is given. They are asking for the rate of change of marginal cost when 17 units are produced. So what does this mean? Marginal cost na the rate of change of cost with respect to number of units produced. So X is the number of units produced and C is the total cost. Evlo units ki evlo cost. That is the rate of change. So I am given C of X when I substitute d by dx of C in 0.007 x cube. Copy the question correctly. 003 03 ne edhiradinga. 15x plus 4000. When I differentiate this, I have d by dx of this is going to be 0.007 times 3x square times 3x square. Put a multiplication symbol or put a bracket or put a dot, anything. Minus 0.003 times 2x plus 15. And this is a constant. The differentiation becomes a 0. So I need dc divided by dx when the value of x, number of units produced, is going to be 17. Okay, marginal cost when 17 units are produced. X is the unit of items. Ilya? So when I substitute, I have first either multiply panna 7 3s are 21, 3 decimal places. So 21 x square, which is 17 square, minus 0.006, 3 2s are 6 times 17 plus 15. Okay, 17 square enna? Let me do 17 square. 7 7s are 49, 289. Ilya? 7 4 7s are 7, 11, 7, 1, 289 times 21. So what is this? 9 1s are 9, 289. 9 2s are 18, 1 8 2s are 16, 17, 1 2 2s are 4, 5. When I add 16, 1 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 6. I have 3 decimal places. So this is going to be 6.069. So I have 6.069 minus in the 17 into 6. So I need to do that. 17 6 are 7 6 are 42, 4 6 1s are 6, 102. I have 3 decimal places. So it is going to be 0.102 plus 15. So I need to do the math carefully. So 6.069 minus 0.102, which is going to be 7, 6. Either cancel panna, I have 9, 5. So it's going to be 5.967 plus 15 is going to be 20.967. When I round this off, I have 20.97. And this is in terms of rupees. Okay, please copy. Calculation da numbers alla correct ah podunga. Question number 16. The total revenue is given and the sale of X units. So idhu adhe da marginal cost, marginal revenue. Marginal revenue na number of units sold. Okay, that is number of units bought. Okay. Now this is given. I need to find dr by dx, which is going to be d by dx times r oda value enna 13x square plus 26x plus 15. When I differentiate this, I have 13 times 2x plus 26, which is going to be 26x plus 26 when the value of x equals 7. So this is going to be 26 a common adda. I have x plus 1. When I substitute 26 times 7 plus 1, which is 26 into 8. When I multiply, 8 6 are 48, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is going to be rupees 208. Okay, please copy. Choose the correct answer. 17th. The rate of change of area of a circle with respect to radius. So rate of change of area with respect to radius. Okay, so this is going to be d by dr of rate of area of circle in a pi r square equals pi is a constant. R square with respect to dr is going to be 2r, which is going to be 2 pi r, and the radius is given to be 6 centimeters. When I substitute, I have 12 pi, or I'll write one more step. This is going to be 2 pi times 6, 6 2s are 12 pi. 12 pi centimeter square with respect to radius. So which option? Option B. Okay, please copy. Last question of the exercise. So marginal revenue kuduthirukkan, you have to differentiate again. So I have dr by dx is going to be, this is exact example question. So d by dx of 3x square plus 36x plus 15. This is going to be 3 times 2x plus 36, which is going to be 6x plus 36. 6 a common adda, x plus 6 when x oda value is 15. So I have 6 times 15 plus 6, which is 6 into 21. 6 ones are 6, 126. So it is going to be option D, rupees 126. Okay, please copy. So with this we are done with the first exercise. Let's move on to the next topic. இவ்ளோ நேரம் நம்ம numbers வச்சு போட்டோம், இனிமே variable வச்சு போட போறோம். Okay, that's the difference.